Assalamu alaikum. Today I want to talk about the fold method. Okay, so fold method is combine all elements of a collection with initial value. Okay, you can provide initial value. Okay, so first of all, I just write here void main function. Okay, so here you can see this fold is also similar to reduce, but here you can provide it's necessary. Okay, you provide initial value. Okay, so it is a very safe method, commonly use this fold method because it returns null. Okay, so here if you can provide if the list or collection is empty, so it don't throw exception. Okay, in the reduce method uh, is you can't provide, you can't uh, start this method if the collection is empty. Okay, so now this for method is take initial value also. Okay, if I write here list, okay, of integer, okay, and then numbers, and now here you can see if I write here these three numbers, and now I want to show you that how this fold is working. Okay, here you can see it returns according your type that you provide. Okay, if you provide here list, it returns list. Okay, if you provide here integer, so it returns integer. It react like your type. Okay, so this is a very useful. Okay, so here you can see this is initial value. Okay, if you pass here a type initial value, okay, this function will be work like that. Okay, so here I just want to show you now. I first the 5 is initial value, and then it take a two parameters. Okay, the first one is I just write a b. Okay, and now I want to plus a and b. Okay, so now here you can see how this for method is working. Okay, firstly the initial value, here you can see this function take two parameter, so this a is initial value in first time. Okay, so this a will be equal to 1, no 1 5. Okay, so then b will be equal to 1. Okay, so here you can see now a plus b will be equal to 6. Okay, so now in the second time that this function called, so now this the a parameter take a element from this collection is the result. Okay, not this value. Okay, so here you can see the result is 6. Okay, so now a equal to 6. Okay, and b equal to, now this b is take this 2. Okay, so now this will be equal to 2. Okay, so now the a plus b equal to, here you can see 8. Okay, so now this 8 is b is will be the first here you can see this we just first parameter, two parameters, so the first parameter will be now 8. Okay, so now 8, a will be equal to 8. Okay, and then the b will be equal to now 3. Okay, so now I just write here 3. So now the result will be equal to uh, 11. Okay, so here you can see this for method is work like that. Okay, I hope you understand this concept. Okay, so now I want to front this. Okay, so it returns integer, so now I just right here I just save it, and then I want to front. Okay, so now the result you can see here now. Here you can see 11 is printed. Okay, so this is very useful concept that I want to clear. Okay, so this is a very useful thing. So for now, I hope you will be understand this concept. For now, it's enough, and see you in the next video. Allah Hafiz.